The serial number, according to the typewriter database, it was manufactured in 1938. The Remington. It's a first series. The start with C, serial number. It's number 4 model. This is, I guess, for the education or typing practice. Just one capital character. See? Yeah. It's like, looks like a Gothic style, something like that. And then, as you see, there is no function key, no backspace, no shift, no tab, no margin, because it's a very simple one. At that time, it's a very hard time. It was a very hard time, so I think that's why they made this one, or for the just education. When I bought this one, it has a lot of problem, no draw code, and then even though I fixed the draw code, the carriage does not advance. Also, when I check around here, I thought it's see, this one we have like a carriage release button, but this side nothing like this. So oh my god, it's something missing. But I checked the search online. That's the normal. The every this typewriter has no this part carriage release. Very simple. No margin setup. No tabs, no paper support, even though even it has no the like paper feed lever, nothing, just carriage release, and then this lock for the paper feed. Right now, this everything very good cosmetic condition, but the small feed ruler is just some flat spots, so does not work properly. So we need to fix it, and then I fix right now everything. After fix the escapement, let's see the bottom. This escapement and then this gear, I think it's too far away, so I a little bit push down, and then after that the space key, after hitting the any key, the carriage starts to move, right? So at that time I opened this cover and then the push the front and then behind the push back, and then some screwdriver I adjust the space, and then it works. So inside these bars return very quickly. I think because of there is each spring. So after this, under this spring. Yeah, so it's very quickly return. So when I try to fix the escapement problem, and I push a little bit this one to the front, this whole thing, then it's much better after that. So inside is still very good condition, right? I took the cover like this one, but this one looks like someone said like it's a beer can, you know, the can, a little bit thicker than the can, beer can. Also, it's very like a lot of room outside, like here, so we need to push down to put back this cover into the here. See, so a lot room. So that means make looks like after put the cover looks like the bent outside or extended outside. Yeah, it's intentionally they made it like this. So it's a very light metal. Okay. Okay, I put back this. Okay. After that, still I got a problem like this. Just printed the bottom part. See? Yeah, not top part. So I asked the Facebook antique typewriter collect group, but they recommended the repair, ask the repair group. So I tried to just this one, this carriage part, little bit push back by hands with the power. And then I check a little bit better, and then I did more, and then it's right now it's working good. Very beautiful condition, right? Yeah, just one capital character. I measured the character for inch. It's 10 character for inch. This is one of the cheapest typewriter at that time. It's I think less than $11 for sale price, but I think is most beautiful keycaps. It's I think it's enamel. It's very also the feeling, touch feeling is very good. I like all the Remington 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all like a same. It's very good for me. Yeah, it's especially beautiful condition, and then yeah, see, yeah, still looks like brand new. Very beautiful. All right, let's see some sample typing. Thank you for watching.